ওয়েল ফ্রেন্ড, আমরা আজ চলে এসেছি প্রভাত আড়াই। এখানে আমাদের যে ফরেন্স ব্যক্তিরা এখানে এসেছেন তাদেরকে সাথে আমরা এখানে আপনাদেরকে দেখাচ্ছি। এনারা এসেছেন এখানে প্রোগ্রাম দেখার জন্য। প্লিজ আপনারা একটু দেখবেন। আমরা চলে এসেছি এখানে, প্লিজ সকলে একটু অনুভব করবে। প্লিজ
Oh, hello.
yes, say something about
Oh, about what?
uh,
Oh, you do that, Jerry.
yes,
please.
yes.
Can't do it on behalf.
Hello, everybody. Yeah, just want to say that this is an amazing place. The work that they do here for the local community, for young boys who are homeless, who are orphans, it's surely a fantastic place. We're being treated as guests really so well, and we're overwhelmed by their hospitality. And we appreciate everything that's been done here for us, and it's maybe we get back again. We really look forward to doing that in the near future. But yeah, it's an amazing place for sure, and great work being done here, and anyone that can give a hand and help out in any way would be much appreciated. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. You are telling something about our village peoples, and really we are very enjoy and happy with us.